home remedies. Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. Today I'm gonna share some home remedies that works heavily to fade away those acne scars. Since I was a teenager, I used to get hormonal acne, which was really bad. Then finally I cured my hormonal acne and it would leave a lot of scars on my face. I used to research a lot about what would actually work for my skin, what would cure my acne, what would fade away those scars. Back then when I was a teenager, I would not know much about skincare. Like I would not even use a moisturizer, like what is sunscreen, and I would just use home remedies. And even now and then I still use it because I get breakouts and they leave me with some sweet scars. But the good thing is I do not touch my pimples. Like I just leave them alone. I just leave them alone to die. I just leave them alone. Like if you pop your pimples, then they're gonna leave deeper scars. So just leave them. Do not touch them. If you do not pop them and if it go by itself, then it will leave less deeper scar. I've been using this simple home remedies for so many years and I have seen the results, and I promise that you will see the difference. And the home remedies that I'm going to share with you can be easily found at your home and you actually consume them.
Now let's jump into the home remedies. So I want you to know about the benefits of the home remedies that I'll be sharing before you actually put it on your face. These home remedies works perfectly fine for all the skin types but works best for oily skin because I have an oily skin and it has worked in the best way possible for me. So now we're gonna play with some raw potatoes. Raw potato contains a skin bleaching enzyme called catecholates. So this enzyme helps to brighten our skin and get rid of dark spots and acne scars. Also, raw potatoes acts as a very gentle exfoliant and helps to age us slowly. Now the second ingredient is honey. Honey is a humectant which helps our skin to absorb and retain those moisture in our skin. The fact that it is an antioxidant, antifungal and antibacterial, it means honey helps to fight against our acne because it works as a pore cleanser by keeping our pores free from oily dirt. I'm gonna show you how I actually make it. You can see here I have a grater, honey and raw potato. So I'm gonna use the grater and I will be grating the potato. After grating the potato, this is how it's gonna be like. And the next thing you want to do is squeeze all the juice from the potatoes and make sure your hands are clean if you're using your hands. And we are mixing the honey with the juice to make it more thicker. So now I'm going to put the mask on my face. Do not forget to put it under your eyes because raw potatoes are the best to get rid of those dark circles. And the first ingredient is rice water. It heals acne and dermatitis by calming the redness of an outbreak because rice water works as an astringent on our skin by tightening pores. Also, the ceramide component in rice helps to promote clear and toned skin, therefore it smooths our skin texture and cure the hyperpigmentation. Also, it helps to get rid of dark spots and increase collagen in skin. And the second ingredient is wheat flour. Wheat flour is a storehouse of vitamin E, which is an antioxidant that helps cells respiration and encourages the growth of anti-inflammatory compounds and slow down the process of skin aging. Also absorbs excess oil from our skin. Lastly, wheat flour helps in regeneration of skin cells to fight aging. And the third ingredient is lemon. Lemon is a great source of vitamin C, which is a powerful antioxidant. Also, lemon is acidic and it will exfoliate the upper layer of our skin, which will remove the old skin cells that has dark pigmentations. And lemon has shown to stimulate the production of skin collagen, which will give you that glowing and youthful skin. For this mask, you're gonna need only 4 ingredients: turmeric, and second one is wheat flour, and the third one is rice water, and last one is a lemon. Also, I'm gonna show you how I make rice water. In Korea or Korean beauty, rice water has its own separate name, which means Koreans swear by how effective rice water is to fade away those acne scars. Now mix everything, put it in a bowl and mix it. And the consistency should be like a paste, not too thick and not too very watery.
I hope you like this video and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in my next video.